Okay. Now, going for the traumatic. What is traumatic? Already we have studied this traumatic. What is it? Head injury. While learning head injury itself, we studied different pathophysiology. Yes or no? Two types of pathophysiology we studied. One is primary, one is secondary. So this primary is going for impact factor. Based on the impact level, secondary is coming. How much impact it is going, how much it is going for the secondary level. Understood? Based on the impact level of the secondary, the areas which are involved in the head injury, it will develop this what? Parkinson's. Understood? And most of the people who are calling it punch boxer syndrome. So punch boxer syndrome. Who went under punch boxer syndrome? So what is his name? Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali is a famous boxer. He was representing India. Okay. He was a famous boxer and he did many fights, and based on the punches how much he had got in the head, that created the Parkinson. At the end stage of his life, when the doctors was doing all the reports, the common thing which was very less is dopamine secretion. And they found out due to the repetitive of punches which he got in the matches, developed this Parkinson's. Understood? So this is also a kind of the traumatic brain injury. Clear? So that's why the boxers who are going for boxing, they will be wearing the helmet. Helmet, like it will be looking like soft material, but inside they will be it will be guarding all the areas of the skull. Understood? Nowadays when we are watching the boxing and all, in some cases they will be wearing some helmets. In raw conditions they will be playing in raw manner. In that cases and all, it will be going for Parkinson's, head injury. All these things will be occurring. And next one is genes. What is gene? Genetic. Transferring from one period to another period. One gene to another gene. Whether the mother or father is affected with Parkinson's, they will be also having the Parkinson's. Understood? But in rare condition, we can stop these types of genetic mutations. Understood? Next one is environmental triggers. So what is environmental triggers? Like while we are going outside, what and all gases we are inhaling? Oxygen is major thing. And what are the other gases we are inhaling? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, and one gas is releasing from the refrigerators and all. What gas? CFC. CFC gases. Nowadays, the refrigerator company has limited the emission of CFC. But before and all, the emission of CFC was most high. Based on the cooling method, the CFC was most high. And all these toxins also triggers the Parkinson. So these and all comes into the environmental triggers. Okay. Now, next one is the presence of Lewy bodies. Can you see this? Okay. This Lewy bodies in dementia itself we have studied. Yes or no? The presence of Lewy bodies. Okay. Clumps of specific substance within brain cells are microscopic markers of Parkinson's disease. When we make a cross-sectional view on the microscope, we can see all these Lewy bodies things. And these also will induce the Parkinson's. Now, secondary Parkinson's. Primary, all these conditions which we have studied earlier. Now going for the secondary things. Stop.